In this chapter, we are going to learn how to use Premiere videos on Facebook page. In earlier chapter, we had seen how to go live or how to schedule a live video. But as I mentioned there, everybody might not be that confident to face camera in live, because in live, if you make any mistake, that is gone. There is no possibility of retake or rectification. So many of us would be comfortable if we record our video offline, edit it, and then publish it on any social media platform. So Facebook knows this thing very well, and that's why they have given a feature called Facebook Premiere Videos. This will give you a lot of benefit. It is pretty like live with added advantage. So let's see what can be done on Premieres and how you can configure a Premiere videos on your Facebook page. So let's understand what is Premiere videos on Facebook page. Premieres allow you to schedule and debut video as live moments on your page. After your live broadcast is complete, it will be saved on your page and viewable later. So it has both the benefits. When you schedule a premiere, an announcement post is automatically added to your page and viewers can like, share and comment about your upcoming video. People can also subscribe and get notifications about your upcoming video. So when we were going live, at that time, no post of announcement were created on our timeline. Whereas when you go for Premiere, announcement post is automatically created. During the premiere, your video is broadcast live with a Premiere badge. Viewers are able to like, share, and comment in real time. Unlike a normal live broadcast, a page administrator does not have to be present during a premiere broadcast. Even if when you are watching a movie in theater, your premiere will also work as per schedule. When your premiere ends, the video is automatically converted to a video post on your page. All of the likes, share, and comments the video received during broadcast are reflected on that post. New viewers can see all of the videos like, share, and comments and add their own at any time. So there are a lot of benefits. Now let's see what are the eligibility criteria for Premiere. Premiere videos must be at least 30 seconds long and maximum 4 hours long. MP4 is suggested video format for Premieres. The video codec must be H.264 and audio codec must be AAC. If you use any other video codec or audio codec, then that will not get premiered. Video must be no longer than 1920 by 1080 pixel. The maximum file size for a premiere is 10 GB. Previously live videos cannot be premiered. However, edited and repackaged versions of live videos such as highlights or recaps may be premiered. Movies that have previously been released on internet cannot be premiered. Previously uploaded videos on Facebook cannot be premiered. So that is obvious. Premiere, it means you are launching for the first time, and that is the criteria. If anything which has been published on Facebook, that will not be allowed as premiere. So now let's go to our page and see how we can schedule a premiere. So right now we are on Strikers Fitness Facebook brand page, and if we scroll and see over here, then we can see the regular video post and live post, but there is no facility to schedule a premiere. So to take benefit of this feature, we need to go to Creator Studio. Under the Creator Studio, we'll click on Create New and we'll select Upload Video. So I have selected a video content which we have yet not used on this page. We need to give some title to this video, that is mandatory. So I will say 5 workouts for staying in shape, and the description is optional, so I am not going to select anything over here. You can add any kind of check-in, messenger button, but right now we are not going to focus on any of this. You can select your custom image for this particular video. Right now we are also not selecting that. Over here under more, you can add number of text as you want. Maybe let's say fitness, men's fitness, and you can add as many as you want. So right now I will click next. Over here I will uncheck this captions because I don't want captions. If you want, you can keep it selected. We'll click next, and this is the screen where you will decide whether this content is going to be premiere or normal video. If you select this schedule, in that scenario this will be posted at your desired time and there will not be any announcement post for this. But if you select premiere, then right now one post will be created on timeline, which is an announcement post, and at the scheduled time the video will start playing. Right now it is already 7:17, so we need to have minimum 15 minutes. So we'll select 10:35, not 10:35, we'll select 7:35 p.m. today. So we'll be able to see how this progresses. If we want to add any placeholder image, we can do that over here. If you want to create this as an online event, you can keep it tick mark, but we are not going for that. And if you remembered, we had created few playlists when we learned about the video tab management. So over here, whatever playlist we have created, we can use if we wish. So right now I am not selecting any playlist as well. Now over here I have selected 14 June 7:35 p.m. and this is the button publish, right? I will click this. Premiere schedule 5 workouts for staying in shape. Your video premiere is scheduled to publish on 14 June 2022 after it has finished being processed. We'll click done. Now if we go to our Facebook page, scroll down and see, then yes, we can find this particular post which is about premiere video, and time is mentioned today at 7:35, 5 workouts for staying in shape. Tune in to watch live, get reminder. So now let me take this page into visitor mode and see how I can subscribe to this reminder. So now I'm visiting this page as a person and I will click on this get reminder. The reminder is set, and right now this is too short a time, but in reality if you are scheduling a premiere, that would be in advance, let's say before few hours or few days. In that scenario the user will start getting first reminder at least before 20 minutes of the scheduled time. So right now I will pause this video and we'll come back to this page at 7:35 and we'll see what happens. So now we are back on our Facebook page and we can see the countdown has started. So we need to wait for another 50 seconds to see how this premiere would be visible to our Facebook friends and followers. We can see the premiere page is visible right over here and the video has started. Let me refresh this. We can see over here. So we can see over here premiere page is visible and this is going under the live tab. So now our live video has ended. Let's go back to our page and see this as a post. So now over here we can see this content which we had used as Premiere is visible as normal video as well. So this is how you can schedule a Premiere video on your Facebook page. If you are not comfortable going live, then you must use this particular feature and take the benefit of people preferring live content or video content. Try posting some Premiere. If you face any difficulty, do let me know, and see you in the next video.